Alright guys, so this is my review. I'm gonna sit down a little bit, that kind of thing. Okay, this is gonna be another review of a brand I've reviewed on here before. I just did a review for one of their other products, so I'm gonna review this one. This is a little kit. You can buy it off of Amazon. It's actually called Amazonless. So basically, let me show you this one. This one has acai and cacao base in it. And so I'm gonna pull it out. It comes with 3 little bottles. One is an anti-residue shampoo, which is this one. Yeah, this one is your anti-residue shampoo. You just use it like normal shampoo, guys, nothing crazy. Then this one is your Brazilian smoothing treatment. So basically, you're gonna like blow dry your hair, and then you're gonna put it back in this product into it. And then you're gonna use cold air to actually blow it dry. So this is that Brazilian smoothing treatment. And then you have your intensive repair mask. I love hair masks. So this one you only have to leave on for 5 minutes. Sometimes, I know they have another product where you have to leave the hair mask on for like an hour, and I don't do as well with that because I don't like my hair being wet. I'm always cold anyway. So I like this set in particular because of the fact that I don't have to sit with my hair wet for like an hour before rinsing it. So it's nice because it's like 5 minutes. So you wash your hair regularly. You can use the Brazilian treatment, and then you can also do the leave-in conditioner. So I really like that. So I'm just gonna let you guys kind of know what it says on the box, what it's supposed to do. But basically, it's supposed to make your hair feel smooth and silky. I typically don't have issues with my hair. I look like just woke up. I don't typically have issues with my hair not being super smooth. But at the same time, like, for your hair, if it's dry, it's going to compensate with grease. So if I can like incorporate, you know, something that's going to actually replenish those oils already, so then it doesn't like overcompensate for it, then my hair is going to be less greasy. So I would definitely try it. They're pretty small bottles, but you can get them on Amazon. So they're all 2 ounces. Each bottle is 2 ounces. They just have a little cap that you unscrew. Super easy. And you can they're travel size. You can take them wherever you want. I know when I travel, sometimes I actually like neglect what shampoo I bring because I just buy the little bottles. So it's kind of nice that you can get a high quality shampoo and treatment set in these small little bottles to take everywhere with you. I'm going home soon next month, so I'll be traveling with these. I also love acai. Anything that has antioxidants in it. So that's what's in this. And then the cacao, I think that's how you say it. I don't know, cocoa, but I feel like it's cacao for this one. So yeah, so definitely try it out. It comes in this little box. And yeah, so if you have any questions, feel free to ask. Also, I'm going to leave the link down below, and you guys can try it out. I know my hair does not look cute right now. I just got off work, but I wanted to make this review. So yeah, if you guys have any questions, sorry, my cats are like running around, and there's like construction outside. But anyway, yeah, so let me know if you have any questions. It comes with gloves inside there too if you don't have them. So yeah, I hope you guys have a good day, and thanks for watching.